until I got 10 years old. Yeah, I was sucking my thumb every day, even when I went to school. And my friend used to laugh at me because they call me baby mama. Yeah. I would not say that it's not something that I'm proud of, but it's something funny about me. So yeah, fun fact. So my name is Adriel Fongang. I'm from Cameroon, back in Africa, and I'm a customer support agent. Working on VanillaSoft is really great, really, really great. I get to learn a lot. I get to meet a lot of incredible people, really kind people, people that care about you, not only as an employee, but as an actual person or a friend. I love IT stuff and everything, so it's really great because they're really smart people too. I've been challenged working here like every day with a lot of tough issues, a lot of tough problems. Every day is a challenge for me because every day I get to learn new stuff, and I get to challenge myself every day again. So yeah, I think the challenge I have is every day here. Someone will want to work at VanillaSoft because it's the place that you can call home instead of office. It's the place where you will feel comfortable. It's the place where you will, instead of like work and even explode with your head, it's the place where you can have some fun sometime. It's really homey, office homey working, you know. So that's definitely why someone will want to work here.